Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how we can set a background to our Canva grids design. So here is the tutorial number 2. We are in the Canva editor page, so I move the grids with photo. Let's click on the white background and change the color. I choose this one, pink, and here you go. Now let's add a page, duplicate page, and from the left side menu, let's choose shapes. And here we will have two colors. Top menu colors, I choose this one green, and grids bring to forward. Oh, here you go. It's look nice. Now this grids, click on background, choose color yellow. We can choose from the left side menu shapes. Let's align and duplicate it on the top menu. Right side there is duplicate button, and we can change the color which we want. Now I send it to back and picture go to the front. Let's try other colors. I duplicate page and change the colors. Yellow to the bottom, pink to the top, and here you go. And the last one, move the photo, click the background, pink color. Okay, let's duplicate it, take the shape, let's change the colors, top menu, this one pink and let it be yellow. And now we will duplicate shapes on the top menu, right side, and change the color, this to the green and this green. Now send it back. Okay. I align a little bit. Like this, and maybe change the color it to the green and this to the same yellow like in the picture, and this at the bottom in the green and to the pink. Oh, it looked nice. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.